Hello, I am Shantanu Kuveskar, and today I am in mountains. This is actually one of my favorite places of bird watching near Raigad Fort in our Sahyadri mountain range. And now I am going to take you all with me to observe the smallest woodpecker of India, the brown-capped pygmy woodpecker, which I commonly observe here in this region. Let's have a look. Brown-capped pygmy woodpecker.
Brown-capped pygmy woodpecker, Yungipicus nanus, is the smallest woodpecker among the 32 species of woodpeckers that found in India. It is measuring about just 12 to 13 centimeters in length and weighing around 12 to 18 grams only. The most preferred habitat of this pygmy woodpecker is lighter to dense forests and secondary growth. These woodpeckers are also known for the unobtrusive drumming, and their call is a weak, trilled rattling sound. They normally occur in altitudes from 0 to 1200 meters. The diet of brown-capped pygmy woodpecker consists mainly of small invertebrates, insects, larvae, ants, termites, beetles, spiders, cicadas, and crickets are their primary food. These species occasionally feed on fruits. Male-female look alike, but they can be differentiated with a crimson patch present on sides of the hind crown of male. The breeding season of brown-capped pygmy woodpecker is from January to May in most of India, and when conditions are favorable, a second brood is also raised during October to December. These pygmy woodpeckers are monogamous and territorial. These brown-capped pygmy woodpeckers are non-migratory, resident birds. The birds in higher altitudes known to move lower levels and plains during winter. These brown-capped pygmy woodpecker species probe into crevices in wood and under bark. They also glean prey from leaves and twigs. They also feed from ant nests and termite mounds. They may make local movements for feeding and breeding within their range.
At the end, I hope you all enjoyed watching and knowing more about the smallest woodpecker of India, the brown-capped pygmy woodpecker, through this short documentary. Thanks for watching and feel free to share this video with your friends. Also, stay tuned for the next one. Bye for now.